Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Princess September, last part, paragraph 8. What's the good of sulking? Princess September said. Why don't you sing and forget your troubles? Now remember, the bird was sitting at a corner and he was not singing for whole day. The bird answered, How can I sing? I want to see the trees and the lakes and the green rice growing into the field. Green rice? Yes, correct. Rice basically is it grows in the field and it is green in color. Afterwards, when they are ripe, they are being harvested and kept outside the farms, and then they remove it. Okay, they become brown. The shell or the cover become brown, and then they remove that cover. Okay, and then that's how we get the white color rice. She gave him his supper, but he wouldn't eat a thing. Supper, dinner. But he wouldn't eat a thing. He was not eating anything. The princess was a little anxious at that. She was worried. परेशान हो गई थी. And asked her sisters what they thought about it. Now she is asking again the sisters. क्या करूं? It's not eating. And it's not singing anything. You must be firm. This is what they said. You must be very strict. Now she's a bit worried, okay? She's asking, if he won't eat, he will die. Now, you have to understand after reading this paragraph what was the nature of the girls or the sisters. The sisters there, that would be very ungrateful of him, the sister said. Ungrateful means unthankful. He must know that you are only thinking of his own good. You are only thinking what could be good for him. If he is obstinate, if he is stubborn, then and dies, it will serve him right. बिल्कुल सही होगा इसके साथ. अगर वो जिद करेगा और मर जाएगा, then it will serve him right. And you will be well rid of him. Well rid of him, get rid of him. You will be, आपकी जान छूट जाएगी. Now think about it. Princess wanted that? Really? Princess wanted to get rid of the bird? No. That was a big mistake. Okay? The princess didn't see how that was going to do her much good. She now was thinking how it will be good for her. But they were 8-1, obviously. She was one at one side and 8 sisters at the other side. And all the 8 sisters were older to her. So she said nothing. Perhaps he will have got used to his cage by tomorrow. Shayad, by tomorrow he will be okay, she said. And next day, when she woke, she cried out good morning in a very cheerful voice. She got no answer. When she shouted good morning in the morning, very early, cheerful voice, she got no answer. She jumped out of the bed and ran to the cage. But after that, she gave a startled cry, surprised and shocked cry. Why? Because for that, the little bird lay at the bottom on his side with his eyes closed, and he looked as if he were dead. The bird was at the bottom of the cage, lying on his side with his eyes closed, and it looked like he is dead. She opened the door and putting her hand in, lifted him out. She gave a sob of relief. Why? Because she felt his heart was still beating. So a little relieved she had. wake up, little bird, she said. She began to cry, and her tears fell on the little bird. He opened his eyes and felt that the bar of the cage were no longer around him. He said, I cannot sing unless I'm free, and if I cannot sing, I will die. This is what he said. The princess gave a little great sob. Then take your freedom, she said. Go and be free. I shut you in the golden cage because I loved you and wanted to have you all to myself. But I never knew it would kill you. Go, fly away among the trees that are round the lake and fly over the green rice fields. I love you enough to let you be happy in your own way. I love you. You can be happy in your own way. Go and have your freedom. This is what she said. She threw open the windows and gently placed the little bird on the sill. On the sill, the window sill. He shook himself a little. Come and go as you will, as you want, as you wish, little bird, she said. I will never put you in a cage anymore. Next time I will not be putting you in the cage, in any of the cage. I will come because I love you, little princess, bird said, and I will sing you the loveliest song I know. I shall go far away, but I shall always come back, and I shall never forget you. He gave himself another shake. Good gracious me, how stiff I am because of keeping himself in the cage. And then he opened his wings and flew right into the blue. He did return at last. After that, he returned and he sat on Princess September's shoulder and ate out of her hand and sang her the beautiful songs he had learned while he was flying up and down the fair places of the world. Fair places means amazing places of the world. September kept her window open day and night so that the little bird might come into her room whenever he felt inclined. Whenever he felt okay, he can come inside her room through the windows. And that was very good for her because she became extremely beautiful. And after that, when she was old enough, she married the king of Cambodia and was carried all the way on a white elephant. Definitely white elephant is very expensive, to the city in which he lived. Now, question answers on page number 122. Question number 1D. What effect did the sister's words have on her? What did she do? Yes, the sister's words were having what kind of effect? That she became restless, and after that she became uncomfortable. Yes, you can use the word uncomfortable also. Restless or uncomfortable. She started thinking about how to keep the bird to herself, and after that she actually kept the bird in the cage. E. What happened to the bird when he was put into the cage? He was shocked. He was quite shocked. Okay, and he started shouting to let him out. Okay, and after that he was not able to sing. How did the bird get back his freedom? Number one, he got back his freedom. First, when he was kept in the cage, he was not able to eat. He was not able to eat, he was not able to sing, and because of that, he was about to die. And this made the Princess September guilty, and then Princess September gave him the freedom, his freedom. How did the bird get back his freedom? I have repeated this question. Sorry, I have repeated this question. The question is, how does the story end happily for the princess and the bird? Yes, the answer could be Princess became very happy and beautiful, and then she got married to Prince King of Cambodia. And the bird also, he got his freedom back, and whenever he wanted, he used to come and ate from her hand and sang beautiful songs. Okay, so both of the characters were happy. Okay, learn to read to page number 122, question number 2. Discuss the following. Give examples from the story of the following emotions. Possessiveness. Possessiveness is actually when you think you are talking about someone, you are keeping someone to your own self. You are not allowing that person or that thing to go to someone else. For example, possessiveness could be like when you don't like your friend talking to someone else. That is possessiveness. Okay, so can we find possessiveness here? Yes, when Princess September was keeping the bird into the cage, and she was not allowing the bird to go out. Okay, insecurity means when you are feeling that you are not good enough, you are insecure. Okay, so insecurity, yes, the bird felt to have insecurity when the bird said, I am not good, or I'm not pretty to look at, I'm not that beautiful to look at. Yes. And also princess, when princess thought that the bird may have fancy for someone else, okay, and it might not come back. Jealousy was very obvious. Who were jealous? The 8 sisters of Princess September, because they were not having such beautiful singing bird. Selfless happiness. Selfless means you are not thinking about your own happiness, you are thinking about someone else's happiness. When someone else is making someone else happy, you become happy. Yes, in the last paragraph we saw selfless happiness, where giving the freedom to the bird, Princess September became happy also. Okay, I've only put you in the cage because I'm so fond of you. Can you think of similar situations in life? Yes. Keeping you in the school, okay, learn to read to page number 123, question number 2b. I've only put you in the cage because I'm so fond of you. Can you think of similar situations in life? Yes, obviously. Parents, they are not allowing their children to have certain types of freedom. Like you are not allowed to go on your own alone somewhere, okay, or maybe at night, because they are not okay with that kind of freedom. Okay, it could be dangerous for you. Definitely. Take C. But they were 8 to 1 and all older than her. What were the 2 reasons why Princess September took her sister's advice? 2 reasons, obviously. Yes. Number 1 reason was they were 8 at one side and she was 1 at the other side. And she was the youngest and they were all eldest to her. So this was the second reason. Does this happen to us too? Yes. Yes, sometimes we have to listen to more friends if they are agreeing on one point and we are not agreeing to that point. So we have to listen to them. Sometimes we have to listen to our parents when we are not even agreeing. Sometimes we have to listen to our elder siblings, brothers and sisters, when we are not agreeing because they are elder to us. Okay, so that's all for today. Please do the work in your copy. Allah Hafiz.